Hi, I'm Liz from the Grow Company and I'd like to show you our Grosnug. The Grosnug is a 2-in-1 swaddling newborn grow bag, suitable for use from 5 to 12 pounds. It's one of our best-selling products as many parents find it easy to use, practical and comfy for baby. Every Grosnug comes with a free nursery thermometer in pack. The Grosnug comes in 2 thickness options, cosy or light. Cosy is for rooms between 16 to 20 degrees and light is for rooms between 21 to 25 degrees. On the back of the pack there's a simple what to wear guide to show you what to dress your baby in under the Grosnug according to the temperature of your room. No more worrying about whether they're too hot or too cold. The Grosnug is officially hip healthy and has been recognised by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute. The bottom of the Grosnug is a wide pocket that allows your baby to kick and wriggle and also rest in the natural froggy leg position. This is important as swaddling too tightly around the hips can be detrimental to hip development and increase the risk of hip dysplasia. Lots of parents choose to swaddle as many babies find it very soothing as it mimics the close feeling of being in the womb. Babies also have a Moro reflex, which means they startle and fling their arms out. This movement often wakes them from sleep, so swaddling helps to stop them and to sleep for longer. The Grosnug is made from stretchy cotton, so it keeps baby wrapped snugly and securely with enough give-in to keep them comfy. Has a long zip that goes all the way from the bottom to the top. This means it can be opened for nappy changes while still keeping baby nicely swaddled around the arms. The armholes have poppers on. This is so that the Grosnug can be used as a swaddle or as baby's first grow bag, as you can open these poppers and babies can have their arms out if they prefer. This means that when it's time to stop swaddling, the transition is much easier. The poppers are positioned so that they don't dig into the baby at all. And the inside seams are all sewn in so that little nails can't get caught in any loose threads. Let me show you how to swaddle with the Grosnug. This is Jess, our demo baby. She's going to help me demonstrate. Open up the Grosnug and lay it flat. Lay your baby on top and simply do up the zip. Easy as that. Baby swaddled, snug and comfy. No complicated wrapping or tying. No risk of blankets coming unwrapped. Doesn't that seem like it'd be easier in the middle of the night? With over a decade of experience helping parents get their babies to sleep, the Grow Company develops products that make parenting easier.